to the channel. My name is Lyndon Houston, and if you're new here, just to let you know you're welcome, and I'm happy to have you. Let's get into the video. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another video tutorial. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to make some mini apple tart, or you can call it apple pie. I'm going to use two nice fresh apple here. That's what I'm going to use. I'm not going to take the skin off, and I will leave them as they are. What I'm going to do, just going to start cutting it down. So this part, we don't need this part. And the reason why I'm leaving it as like this, so it's good to have a little bit of skin on it. Give it a little bit of firmness while you're cooking. So apple is finished cut up. So now it's cooking time. So now to cook the apple, we have a nice Teflon pan here. Just gonna put a bit of butter in this. Gonna go in with a bit of sugar also. Next up, gonna sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon over that. And then we're gonna pour our apple in. So next up, I'm gonna put the rest of sugar over this. And then the rest of cinnamon. Next up, a bit of lemon juice. So next up, what we're gonna do, we're gonna add some bit of corn flour, corn starch in this. And this is just to let everything combine. So you want everything to combine. That when you put it in your pastry, it's not running out. So we're gonna cook through the corn flour. Make sure it's thick and nice. See that? So that's what you're looking for. So I want this thing to cool quick as possible. So I'm just going to put it on a plate and spread it out. So our apple is well cooled down, nice consistency. So now I'm going to start the process of making the apple pie. So what we're going to need some egg wash here. So we're just going to set this aside. I'll be using some puff pastry, which I've purchased. So this is puff pastry sheet, which I've purchased. So just going to roll it out. That's what I'm going to work with. So I'm going to use, I have some cutter here. I'm going to use the biggest one to cut the shape what I want it to be. So I'm just going to cut this. I want to use up the dough, I don't want to waste anything. But that's the size I want them to be. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put them on this because it makes life a bit easier. So with this, what I'm going to do at the moment, I'm just going to put down some egg wash on this. And I'm putting it all around so that my apple sticks properly. Next up, I'm going to use an ice cream scoop, smallest one. Next, we're going to go straight in the middle with that. Very important. So now I'm going to cut some strips to go across it. At the moment, I'm just going to use a knife. So all the bits that left over, I'm going to cut them. I'm going to knead them in together. Now we're going to strap them over. So I kind of run out of short crust, so I'm just rolling out a little bit more. Not short crust, I mean puff pastry. I just need to get this as thin as possible. So that should be all right. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to go over back with this because I want to get a flush. So I'm just going to cut this just to get it nice edges around. What I'm doing now, I'm just going over, give them a little bit of egg wash over, just brushing. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to dust it, bit of sugar over it. I'm going to put them straight in the oven. I'm starting it off as about 150 degrees. have a little piece left, so I'm going to turn this into a strudel. Strudel, I'm just going to go through with some egg wash on this. So this is the remaining. Make sure you utilize up all these bits. So now our apple tart is out the oven. And to know when they are cooked, just take the bottom here. Lovely and delicious apple tarts, or you want to call it apple pie. There are some mini apple pies. Look at this. Ladies and gentlemen, if this video of any help to you guys, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and do leave positive comment. Look at that. This is a cut above the rest.